Hello students, today we are going to be looking at how to create a Kahoot. Okay, so in order to create a Kahoot you have to go to Kahoot.com. You know what, remember that you've got, maybe let's clarify this. When you go to the Kahoot website, you've got Kahoot it. This one is used to play. And then we have the other one that says Kahoot.com, okay, learning games, blah, blah, blah. This is the one that we use to create and manage the Kahoot. So we go here and you're gonna have different options. You've got login and you've got sign up, okay. If it's the first time you've been in this website, you can go here, you would press on a student, okay, and then you introduce your data. What you can do if you wish, if you don't want to leave your personal details, I'll advise you to write your name, and then as your surname you can write Laguna de Huastel, okay. Or if you are seeing, if I'm using this for any other high school in the future, the other high school, wherever your high school is, okay. Now I already have a, no, this is not this one. I've got already a login. This is one. So I'm gonna get on it. And this is the Kahoot website from the inside, okay. You probably are familiar with it because if you played it before, is where the teachers log on to start the Kahoot. In this case, you see you've got this button, create. I think it shows probably in most of the sections, okay. And once you press on create, okay, it gives you different options. Create each interactives. I think this is the new Kahoot. This is the class A1, and we have a couple of different ways to create the Kahoot, okay. You can just straight away start writing questions and answers, okay. Or if you prefer, you can import a spreadsheet. To do that, you have to download the template, and then you're gonna have a document like this. And then you have to write the answers, like the questions here. You write the answers there. Then you write down which one is the correct answer here and the seconds for each question, okay. If you do it that way, then you select the file once it's been completed, and there you have all your information. If not, you fill in the information here. In the settings, you can write the title of the Kahoot, okay. It can be like test, something like Kahoot test, the description, and you can introduce, for example, we are gonna you can write the address here and language, etc. All right, once it's done, you press down, and then you start like writing the questions here. It will be question 1, and this will be like answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, and so on, and you have to choose a right one, okay. Then we press done, okay, and that's a Kahoot done. Then if we want the other students to play it, okay, we have to go to, you can press on edit if you want to make any changes. You go to play, and in this case we are going to use assign, okay. If we want everybody else to play, you have to choose a expiring date, okay. That will be, let's make it as as far away as we can. You can have timer on or off. Since we are going to be doing it at home, I advise to just like leave it off, okay. The rest we just leave it as it is, and we create a challenge, okay. And then we just have, if we want to invite the other students, we just have to send them this address, okay, URL, sorry. Basically, in order to do that, I'm going to share a document with you where each student can upload the URL and pin of every game, okay? So this is basically very quickly how we do a Kahoot, okay? I hope it's more or less clear. I know I've been going quite quickly through it, but I think it's quite intuitive. It's quite easy to work out. If you had any doubts, you can just write me to my email, and I'm going to solve any doubts that you can have. So thanks for listening, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson. Bye.